Hi everyone, not too long ago you saw a video of me doing my NightLase treatment to decrease snoring. This is a very effective treatment. It's a treatment that is not surgical, it's done with a Fotona laser and it's painless. Now the results are seen progressively. You normally need 6 treatments and the treatments are done once a month. The picture you're gonna see now is a patient that have done his 5th treatment and he has been snoring since he was a kid. So now you can see how the tongue has decreased, has contracted more, but most importantly we have raised the ceiling of the mouth, and by doing so we are opening the airway and decreasing the snoring on the patient. The patient is very happy with the result. We still have to do 1 treatment, and even after that treatment he's going to continue to progress and see better results. So what is it that we see when we do this NightLase treatment? Initially is a decrease in the volume of the snoring, then after that we see a decrease on some days, and then some days are a little higher, then after that we see days that you snore and some days that you don't snore, until eventually you stop snoring completely. And that's the goal. The goal is to open the airway so you can stop the snoring, and most importantly allow the other person next to you to be able to sleep. So if you have any question and you're not sure about whether you are a candidate for this treatment, give us a call.